I'm Motivational Sood, Bhavya's father. Usually at our age, we are known by our children, and I'm pretty proud of it.
Hi, my name is Bhavya Sood and I'm the founder of Iris and Art Communication. I was 21 when I started this business. I still remember doing this whole presentation for my father that why do I want to start a digital marketing agency. My dad and I are poles apart. We're actually in completely different industries. He's 60 now. He Googled the other day, what is digital marketing? Now he's opening up a whole thing with me. I'm so happy that, even at this age, he's trying to understand new things and new concepts.
Whenever I used to be sleeping in the night or was trying to sleep, she used to try all her makeup techniques on me. And I used to be so tired that I used to sleep off with all the makeup what she used to do. In the morning, when I used to look at myself in the mirror, I used to look like a scarecrow. But all that uncomfortableness of during sleep and everything used to just pass away just by looking at the smile what she used to give at me when she used to do the makeup.
I used to always seeing him signing these checks at work, and I used to be like, one day I'm also going to do this.
She was an entrepreneur right from the day one.
And I think that's Dad and me. We're best of friends. We fight together, we work together, we stay together. No matter what, we're always together. I have always loved being around him. I'm so glad that we work together, we hustle together. And I love you, Papa. Happy Father's Day. And that's all what I have to say to you.